In this video, I'm going to share with you how I find and download a course to my Garmin from my iPhone. There are lots of great websites that give you free access to GPX files that you can download easily. I really like flattiresmtb.co.uk. The gentleman who's actually constructed this site, Colin Down, has put an incredible amount of detail that is very accurate. The route I'm particularly interested in is for Cadair Idris, which is in southern Snowdonia. Colin has included maps, he's included the elevation, he's included pictures and videos, including detailed descriptions of turn by turn with detail that you wouldn't believe of the whole trail. This site is fantastic. Thanks, Colin. Click on each of the grid references and it'll take you straight to streetmap.co.uk for even more detail. Once you're ready to download the course to your phone and then to your Garmin, click on the GPX download link and then it'll take you straight to Map My Ride. Now hit the GPX file download. Either sign up or log in to your free account. Once you're signed in, hit download once more. It'll then allow the download to begin and then save the course to your phone. The next step is to hit the little blue arrow in the bottom left of the screen. This will show a control window where you'll need to touch on the Downloads tab. Now choose the file that you wish to upload to the Garmin unit and hit the action box in the bottom left corner of your screen. Next, you'll need to locate the Garmin Connect app. Select the course type. In this case, I'm going to be choosing mountain biking. The file will then automatically upload to the Garmin Connect app. Now's the time to hit save to keep it in the app. Add a custom name and your privacy settings and hit save. Job done. So the course is saved in the app, but there's one more task to do. Hit the device upload button so that the next time your phone and device connect, it'll automatically upload to the device. Next step is to check the unit to make sure it's uploaded correctly. In this case, I've got the Edge 530. Enter the menu, then into navigation, and then into courses. And you should find all the GPX files that you've actually been able to download sitting, waiting, ready to go. So select a ride. The summary will give you a lot of information. And the map, again, will give you loads of information of direction. You can zoom in and you can zoom out, and it will give you everything you'll need to know for the journey that you're going to be taking. You can even change the settings to give turn-by-turn navigation, of which you'll be able to hear on the video that I've just done, where I actually used this particular course up Cadair Idris, of which you'll find the link in the top right-hand corner of the screen and also in the description below.